Swinburne University of Technology.
Engineering is the bridge between science and technology and the needs of society. Engineers continually move society forward by improving the way things work and solving the problems faced by mankind.
From a very young age, I was always interested in how stuff moves. I always pulled apart all of my toys, could never put them back together again though. So I sort of knew when I was going through high school, I always did the technical subjects and the physics subjects because I wanted to know why and how things worked. So it was sort of natural for me just to go into engineering, and mechanical engineering seemed like the best way to see how all of that stuff works in the end.
I guess as a kid I always liked robots and stuff. I always loved programming.
I'm interested in things that can move, that can interact, that can sort of sense the world in their own way. That's what interests me. So I thought it's going to be engineering and it's going to be robotics.
Ever since I was a kid, I like playing with Lego, like building stuff. I like the challenge, love learning new things that you could apply in your life to help people, especially. Yeah, I find it very rewarding.
My father was originally an engineer, and I've been an engineer ever since I was about 2, I think. And so I've been following in his footsteps ever since. I love machinery, love building stuff. It's really sort of a passion in my blood.
I wanted to build something that can change the world, I guess.
I've always been interested in flying vehicles, and I wanted to combine my love of robotics and flying vehicles together into something that I would appreciate and love doing.
Engineers are really responsible for going out and looking at the world and saying, you know what, I just want to make things a tiny bit better.
Engineering is sort of a foundation for a lot of things in society. Without engineers, we wouldn't have been able to build buildings or wouldn't have been able to build cars.
The chairs we sit on, the tables we eat on, the walls, the buildings, the windows, whatever is made, it really has the involvement of an engineer. Without engineers, I don't think this society will exist.
Engineering comes from the Latin ingenium, which basically means ingenious. So engineering is really all about coming up with ingenious solutions to any particular problem you might have. So what it offers society is a way of finding solutions to the problems we face and continually moving society forward.
The Faculty of Engineering and Industrial Sciences at Swinburne University offers courses in biomedical engineering, civil engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, mechanical engineering, product design engineering, and robotics and mechatronics. Swinburne University has a 5-star teaching rating and is one of the world's top 500 universities. The university has great facilities and offers industry-based learning, as well as the opportunity for international study.
The courses that they offer and the subjects you complete are really great. They really help you to learn the fundamentals, but also give you lots of opportunities to learn and use those things that you've learned in practical experiences and real hands-on projects and really have a crack at things.
I recommend all girls, if you love doing engineering, just do it. Don't listen to anybody. Don't say, oh, it's a male-dominated, because it's not. Because you can do this like what we did.
Not only is the teaching of good quality, not only are the materials good, but they give you the practical experience that all engineers need.
If you like theory, we do a lot of that as well. We understand what we're doing, but the focus is on the doing, which is what engineering is about, and that's why you come to Swinburne.
This has been a Swinburne production.